In today's video, I'll teach you how to activate M&T Bank Credit Card. So if you want to activate M&T Bank Credit Card, it is actually very simple. But keep in mind, you'll not be able to activate the M&T credit or debit card via the browser. In order to do that, what you have to do is simply call them. What you have to do is find the phone number on the sticker on the front of your new credit card. After you do that, what you have to do is call the number and follow the automated instructions in order to activate your card. So like this, you'll be able to activate the credit card via the phone. You'll also be able to activate your credit card in the M&T ATM. For that, what you have to do is visit any M&T ATM, including those from former People's United Bank locations. After you do that, what you have to do is insert the new card. After that, follow the on-screen prompts in order to activate the card. The instructions will be pretty easy. Simply follow the instructions and your card will be activated. After the activation of card, you can remove the sticker from the front of the card. You can sign the signature panel on the back of the card. Now your credit card will be officially activated and you'll be able to use it. So that is how you activate M&T Bank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.